Kickoff. KFA versus Ballers, and the final match of the day will be Mount Pleasant Academy versus Harborview. So please stick around. The players to watch for Cavaliers, most definitely the number 7, Marley Williams, danger man, talisman for this Cavaliers team, and Jax, the number 11. The players to watch for Cavaliers, most definitely the number 7, Marley Williams, danger man, talisman for this Cavaliers team, and Jax, the number 11. And we have kickoff. The Marley Williams gets us underway for this first encounter. Comes out to Jax. And it's a and Montego Bay will mop up position briefly as Henry now in possession. Gets it to the captain, Marley Williams, and a beautiful ball in. Here's a shot. Oh! Brilliant save there by the keeper. From the first shot on target there. The keeper with a very good save and almost played through there by Lawrence, and it's a ball down the line. The Marley Williams, first time, try to get it to his team minutes of the game. First shot coming in on target from Jax. Again, another misclearance, and it's a shot on target, and it's off the crossbar. Set a counter-attack for the Cavaliers team, and now they have the counter-attack. Brian into Marley Henry, still Henry. Plays, that's a bit short there for Watson. Simon Henry battles and wins it in midfield. Shot and Williams over the free kick. He strikes and too much. Slightly further out. Let's see what he does with attempt number 2. Montego Bay United haven't offered much in terms of an attacking display. It's been all Cavaliers. Open in 18 minutes. The Marley Williams. And Cavaliers in the middle of the pitch. Gets Watson away, and it's a beautiful ball. Need a better first touch there. Still in possession though. Crosses it. Jax. Sean angling. Still angling. And loses out. Now the Marley Williams take it the other way. Tries to release Jax and does. Jax afraid of a company. Still Jax. Shots and angling. Turns and gets it into Robinson. Robinson now to Bernard. Bernard plays it out into McLean, who keeps possession well. Can squares it in. Miss. A good passage of time on Montego Bay. Thompson. Patrick. White. It past Hines again, and it's the header there from Watson. Beautiful ball into the Marley Williams. Gets his head up. Just can't get it. Wins it back. Ooh. And still, not the pass you required there for the last one. Patrick, shot! Oh! What a save by the keeper! Najani Blair. The Mario White. Just over the head of Shaquan White. The Marley Williams stands over it. The Mario White comes out to help him. No, changes his mind. He's whipped into the box. And it's cleared. First header. Khalid Fraser gets it away, and the Cavaliers man Jax couldn't keep it in play. Now Montego Bay can break. Javon angling. Still angling. He's in on goal. Angling. Tries to beat the keeper at his near post. The king, he can line up a shot from here. But let's see if the Montego Bay United talisman has the magic in his boots. A tame shot, but it comes to. Oof. That's the number 4, Deshaun Kelly. And Cavaliers will come away with a free kick. Lawrence, beautiful ball out to Anglin. Anglin shot pass. Mesado, oh no! 1v1s. Robinson loses it. DeMarley Williams battles in midfield. Loses it out to Robinson. Robinson has a shot. A team effort. And balled now by Fraser, which gives Cavaliers the latest set piece. Mike Taylor stands over it. Again, a bit too far out for a direct shot, but he goes for a direct shot and it's tame and it's wide. Captain DeMarle Henry and Mike Taylor, the number 5, stands over it. Leaves the ball to his captain, Williams. He goes for goal on target, but it's right on the keeper. Brian tries to place it to Henry, but loses out. Ball comes out to Deacon. And Taylor can clean it up for Cavaliers and tries a shot. Not much venom on that one, and the keeper can collect angling, but a little bit too much. Watson tries to renew this rivalry with Hines. Looking for Brian at that far post. And Hines couldn't provide the telling moment in this game so far, and he exits. Let's see what the substitute, Christopher can bring. And it's Montego Bay on the attack. Deacon just a team effort. The Montego Bay attacker. Comfortable. And again, Bernard on the ball. Finds Deacon. The distribution from the keeper today. Dealt with. Now Deacon. He clears it. Taylor. Gets it away from Mesado. And Deacon. Plays it to Samuel. Still Samuel. Shot block. Oh, Dangerman DeMarley Williams. Still Williams. Gets it to the substitute. Christopher. Comes. Gets it to the substitute. Christopher. Combination of Fraser, Gray, and Campbell there to deny the substitute. Any telling moment in the match. Brian, still Brian, blocked. A corner kick is the result of this one. The Marley Henry comes over to take it. The Marley Williams, sorry. Keeper comes out. Keeper comes out convincingly for this one. Cavaliers again. Williams squeezed that one in, dealt with. Simon Henry, shot! No, Patrick takes over. Thompson has a go, but it's called a bit late, and Rush Anglin seems to be limping after that one. Montego Bay United defense fell asleep just now, but it's dealt with by the Cavaliers team. Another throw-in. Ali K squares it in, and it's off the crossbar there. And it's off the crossbar there. That's the second attempt on the match that has hit that same crossbar. One from Cavaliers, one now from Montego Bay. That's the second attempt on the match that has hit that same crossbar. One from Cavaliers, one now from Montego Bay. Oh. The keeper there. They're queuing up only two back from Montego Bay. Let's see if the delivery will be telling. The corner comes in. Dealt with by Brian at the near post, while still with Montego Bay. Squirted again, and that's Joshua Anglin now comes across for the corner kick. That's a good corner kick. Oh, missed kick there by Campbell. Anglin still has it. Oh God. Not dealt with. And now the keeper finally, Taylor. And the referee has seen enough. That's it for this first encounter. It ends Cavaliers 0, Montego Bay United 0. Please stay tuned though for the second match of today, KFA versus Ballers Academy. You won't want to miss this here on MG Sports.